In this tutorial, you'll learn how to fix the issue of the line midpoint snap not showing in Autocad, so you can restore accurate snapping and improve your drafting precision. How to fix the issue of the line midpoint snap not showing in Autocad. Picture this. You're trying to create a circle exactly in the middle of a line, but when you move your cursor, it just doesn't snap to the midpoint as you expected. This can be quite frustrating, especially if precision is key in your design work. But don't worry, in just a few steps, I'll show you how to troubleshoot this snap issue. First things first, the simplest approach is to check if object snapping is enabled. This feature is crucial for tasks requiring accuracy and alignment, and enabling it is quite straightforward. All you need to do is press the F3 key on your keyboard. This will toggle the object snap function on or off. With object snapping enabled, Autocad should assist you by snapping the cursor to key points, such as endpoints, centers, and ideally midpoints of objects. However, if you find that snapping is still not working as intended, especially if it snaps to other object features but not the midpoint, then there's likely another issue at play. This usually indicates that the midpoint snap mode is currently disabled. The good news is it's a simple fix. To enable the midpoint snap mode, start by typing OSNAP, or simply OS, into the command line. Once you've entered this command, hit Enter. This command opens up the Drafting Settings dialog